Hello everyone, am I audible? Show your thumbs up with a bright smile. Yes, thumbs up with smile. We always start our work with smile because we believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy, right? And every class, like we are learning how waste things were around us, which we feel that this is absolutely waste, could be used for making something very useful. So this will help you in best out of waste projects as well. And this ways you will be able to reuse, repurpose waste material, and you'll be able to save environment and ultimately save environment. And yes, it is going to save your money also. Today we are going to learn a packing, and for this we can use card sheets and wedding cards, this kind of material. If we have available, we can use it and prepare a lovely cone packing. So chalo, cone shape beautiful box, which is very simple to make but very beautiful. Okay, suppose you want to gift packet of dry fruits, and you want to pack it nicely. Yes, this box is going to help you. If you want to gift anything else, so simply you can make this box and put your things inside, and you can go ahead. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. So here on screen, you can see these are some waste papers. So one is this very well familiar you are. So this is your uh, like drawing paper front cover, and it is so colorful, and see the stage material is so beautiful. To this, and if you want to make a big one, this is also one, like its paper is quite wonderful. है ना? And if you feel that you want to make a very big like box for packing something big, suppose you want to give a set of colors or something which for which you want a big box, so you can use this also. This is, and this is your drawing file. Even I try to use absolutely waste material, and this is a wedding card. See, this is a wedding card. So we will be using these things for making our beautiful box, which is going to be cone shape. Okay? Yes. So do you have your material ready? Yeah? Huh? A card sheet or anything you have, and a thick paper, because it was mentioned in material list that any wedding card or any, you can use anything. It could be square, it could be rectangle. Then also it's okay, because square will give you some other little different shape, but rectangle will be perfect. Okay, so you can either reuse or you can. That's amazing, Tanveer, that you're so excited. And even I'm excited because you are future. Once you will start observing creativity in all this kind of waste stuff. And when you will start using it, you will see we can reduce the quantity of waste we are producing. And this is needed today. Like, when we purchase new things, so directly or indirectly, we are creating more garbage. But at the same time, when we reuse things, suppose you want to gift plants, and for that you cut plastic bottles and waste containers, you paint and decorate, so you are saving your money as well, है ना? And saving environment also. So now start observing creativity in trash and try to create treasure out of trash. Okay? Yes, you can use this also, Lazia. This calendar, table calendar, yes, we can use that also. So according to size of your paper, you are going to get the box. Your box will be according to size of paper. So are you ready? Show me your thumbs up with a buddy wali smile. Yes. For craft, we need see, your card should be card paper. It should be just like a card paper. If it would be very thick, like, so you we need to fold it now to your those creeds and fold, and it should not be very thin also. If you will take a thin paper, so the box will lose its shape. So it should be neither very thick, which is difficult to fold even, है ना? गत्ता होता है ना, गत्ता जैसा नहीं लेना है हमें, ऐसा थिक पेपर लेना है, थिक पेपर. ओके, या तो चलो, let's get started. Okay. So here, what you will be doing? Okay, let's learn with the work. So the very first thing, suppose let's get started with this rectangle. I will clean the sides, and this is very well familiar. You are with, this is the cover page of your drawing file. Normally, like what we find it useless, but this kind of things, and even many times we have some. magazines which are having thick paper, that can also be used. Now, what you'll do, ready? Yes? You can decide a line. I will remove all this. Okay, I will work over this only. Okay, yeah. So this is my paper. And which shape it is? This is rectangle. Okay, if you will to use bigger one, you will be getting. Please don't call on my number so that now, because it disturbs the class. And class stop when you call. So please call, don't call if you have any query. Call on number of my team. This is my number of my team. You can call on this number if you have any query related, but don't call on my number. It blocked the class. Okay? Yeah. So now the very first step is you will fold your paper double, like these two corners and these two corners, है ना? So you, because you want absolutely center, so you will simply fold and you will decide this line. See how to fold. Now let's understand it. It should never be like you're simply folding and pressing. No. First, you will see that corners should fall on corners. And it should be absolutely on each other. Extra unwanted. Yeah. So this corner should fall on each other. Okay. This is so simple, like it is that simple to prepare that you'll be surprised that, like with few folds, like such amazing card box could be created. And some gift baskets also I will teach. So see, this is the way you will fold. Okay. So what will happen? You will find this center line. For your comfort, I will do one thing. I will simply draw it. This is my center line. Okay. I will draw so that you can understand. And I want to keep this colorful portion in front, and it's strong enough. This box is going to be, because this is amazing and perfect stationery. Many times glossy sheets you find, glossy, many magazines, they have thick glossy sheets. You can use them also. Okay. And if you feel, yeah, some other patterns, like see this wedding card, it is having such amazing pattern. So if I will make card and I'll keep this written portion inside, so a lovely card you will get. Take care. I will show with this also. Okay. So see, this is the way we completed. And what you will be doing, you will fold. Now again, see, your corner should go on corner. This corner should come on this corner. Line should fall on line. First, you will place it nicely, then hold and then press. It should not, if your lines will be wrong, then your box will not come perfect. It's very important that your lines should be perfect. And I will draw this line also so that you can see horizontal and vertical both lines. We cover up things which are absolutely simple with minimum stuff. It's a request, dear parents. If you have any query, please contact on this number. Contact to my team. When you're calling me, it's blocking the class. And please don't call on this number. You can call on this number if you have any query related. Okay, so see this ways. Half, so this line I found, and half, so I found this line. Bus. The card is very simple. Just these two lines and few more folds, and your card would be ready. So either you can do its pasting and you can put a brooch or something decorative. And if you have some flowers or some leaves or this kind of stuff, you can just see in your treasure box what you have to decorate. Satin ribbon, yes, if you have satin ribbons, you can. If you have some satin flowers, you have. And I start keeping things, make a treasure box. And if you feel that this thing I could use somewhere for my craft class, you start keeping it. And so you will see when needed, and you can immediately take it out and you can use it, right? I have this beautiful brooch, and I will also try to see that what else I have. Enough. Yes, so just see in your treasure box and try to find out things you have easily available. And if you don't have satin ribbon, you can simply cut colorful stripes, colorful paper, and you can create a ribbon for making a bow. Okay, come on, do this, all of you. And make sure your lines should be perfect. Done? Can I see? Yes. Wonderful. Now this box, according to size, like you will find the size. If you will be using small rectangle, you will find a small cute box in which you can keep a chocolate and gift to your friend. Hai na? Yes. Now we have 4 points. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now very carefully what you will do, you will take your scale and you will keep it from this point to this point, exactly the points you will cover. Okay, come on. You can take a scale or a notebook. If you don't have big scale, you can take a notebook or any card or something of this kind, which can reach from this corner to this corner. Okay, come on, do this. And what you'll do, you will simply place it. Your corner and corner, it's very important. If your line will finish here, so your corners, the shape of box will get disturbed. So you will connect from here to here and take your scissors. If you want to draw it with pencil, it's okay, you can. But use your scissors and softly make a line. Right? Softly. Don't pressurize much and don't be very light. This will help you folding the paper easily from here. I will draw the line also for you so that you can understand. We need a kite shape kind of diagram on square or rectangle, whatever you have. And a pillow packing is also one beautiful gift packing. See, this line we find, okay? And as I move my this, you see the fold is so neat and perfect. I'm able to fold it very easily, okay? Because for making crease, I simply, and for first I move scale. So because of scale, I find a crease. The paper is easy to fold. All on the number because it's blocking the clip, please. It's disturbing the rhythm of class. Okay? Same here. This to this. So you can take any book, anything you have available. You will try to make, if you feel that first I want to make lines, you can make a line or you can make directly with scale. Once your hand is completely set, and you will find it very easy to complete. So you will make a line, and after this, you will be moving your scissors. Make sure from point to point. If your lines will be disturbed, then even your fold will get disturbed. See, such amazing. Point to point. This point will give a sharp shape to our this. Okay? And because of scissors I used, I find it, I will be making kite shape. And your box is done. You'll be surprised your box is done. It is that simple, right? And sweets, you want to give sweets. And these days, like presentable, it should be presentable. First, you do one thing, you make a line and try to connect points. And then exactly on this line, very carefully, you will be moving your scale. Scissors. Scissors will make that paper a little softer and you will find it easy to fold. Okay? Yeah. Last but not the, yeah, don't worry, okay? I'm going to wait after doing this. Okay, I'll be waiting. And this is your so today's story is again as like we are learning and a treasure out of trash. So see these all. So we have all the sides nicely ready. Come on, do this. And this is a diamond shape we have. Come on, do this now and make sure very careful point to point. And you will hold your scale firmly. If your lines and crease will be disturbed, then your work will get disturbed. Okay, come on, do this. And if you want to use any this kind of paper, Here also you need to do the same. Okay, this is also rectangle, but looking like square. Now, there is not much difference in both the lines. So, and this is absolute rectangle, like length and breadth is quite different. So see, come on, do this. Now this box, you can do two things. You can connect it with help of satin ribbon. You can do simply put stapler and then put some decorative stuff. And it's completely your choice what ways you want to make it looking amazing. Ready? Can I see? Or show your thumb down if you want me to wait for you. Yes. Okay. We all are reusing things. And if you're using a cardboard which is having some printed, you can then put some polka dots, like with earbud, you can make some. And now see, want to see the magic? Come on. You will fold and come on. Your box is ready. See, come on, hold it. Fold, 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 fold. Box is ready. Can you see such a lovely box is ready? And you can put staplers. And like, see, I will simply put a stapler here. This classmate is written, so I will put this colorful portion upper side. And first, you can put a stapler or Fevicol, or you can put like two holes and you can put a satin ribbon here. And so I will love to put my stapler here. See, and now I will keep my gift. Suppose I want to gift this nail paint or I want to give this color box. It will go inside and box is ready. It's a beautiful gift box is ready and see how colorful and beautiful it's looking. Presentable for giving dry fruits, sweets, chocolates, or any other thing. Now at the place, so because the gift paper which you are using, that is also going to the heaps of garbage, and it's not it's not very much biodegradable. It is taking long time and not very healthy for soil even. So here you can see how colorful it's looking from both the sides and how durable it is. And if you feel that I want to put thread from both the side and then I want to put a bow, you can do that also. So I will do that. I will put a thread here. I will put a thread here. You can open your gift. You can keep your gift inside, close, and I will make a bow. And for this, I will be using jute string. You can go for any kind of string available. All of you do this. I simply put a stapler. If you don't want to put a stapler there, here you can. And this is a color box. Come on, do this. And a satin ribbon or anything you have, you can get it. I'll be using these two jute strings, which I took out from a bag. So anything like you can cut the stripe from a cloth, you can cut the stripe from something else, whatever you find. Like we all have different things around us. So according to things you have available, you can simply go for it. Okay. So I will simply uh, make it like this. And then we will be making a beautiful bow. Now I'm using this jute string, but you can use anything you feel and find comfortable with. Satin ribbon. Okay. Yeah. See, beautiful and stylish it will look. And if you feel that your paper is not that colorful, then you can cut some circles, colorful circles. You can paste, you can put some polka dots. And whatever decorative stuff you have, you can use that. So see, I put one string here. And then I will put my gift inside, and I will put one jute string here, like on both the side. See, this is mouth now. On both the side, I will put jute string, and I can use stapler for this. Stapler will do my work easily and will give a grip to my. And see, these two handles are ready. You can simply tie. Or if you feel that don't want to use both the side, you want to use one side for tying and one you want to keep hanging, you can do that ways also. And your beautiful box is ready. Effortlessly simple, like a child can also make it very easily. It's that simple. Okay. You can simply, and here colorful satin ribbon, bright colors, or anything else. You can cut the stripe from a cloth as well. Beautiful polythene if you have, so you can cut a stripe from there also. And and if you feel that you want to decorate something in a brooch or something, you have some decorative flowers, you have some artificial flowers, you have anything, or clay flowers if you feel that I want to put some clay flowers, anything you like, you can display. Some shells, if you have some shells and you want to do decoration of it, you know, whatever you have, stones, if you have, you can simply use available material. Okay? And this is the way your beautiful box is ready. We will revise it, and this time I will be using a wedding card. And see, it's ready. It's amazing now and so colorful and beautiful. That paper which was of no use has been, and what we did, we saved our rupees. And a one good quality paper of gift packing, it comes for 20 to 25 rupees. And they charge almost 20 rupees for packing. The 50 rupees almost we saved, right? And it's so simple to make. If you want to put some dry flower, you can simply staple them together. Some dry flowers, dry leaves, you can. Many times the dry arrangement in bouquets, you can put that. And I just start observing in your treasure box. I never mention this material because if I will mention, then again you will rush to market and purchase. The basic and minimum material I mention. See, I will show here. I will show here how to start. See, the method of using tying is, I will show you. See, when you pack it, you put one string here. And when you put this close, one string you put here. These two strings. So you can either make it like a handle and it will become like a carry bag or bag or pouch. It will look like a pouch. Students, it's a request. Please don't call on this number. It's blocking the class. So you can simply make like a hanging box, or you can simply these two, you can tie it together. So when you will tie it together, so this will come more close. This gap will be closed if you will close it. And this is going to be its complete output. Okay. See this. Okay. Yeah. And your beautiful, stylish, with limited stuff. Try to see that how you can reuse things for packing. And I like present, your things should be presentable, but at the same time, environment friendly as well. And it should be environment friendly also. So see, this is the way it will be looking. See, this is going to be the front. Okay. So this is like, now we will revise. We will go for one more revision. And if you will use a big, like this much big paper, so you will find a very big like box ready, in which you can actually keep a big gift also. Okay. So the same could be used making this. And it's very simple. Once you know how to make it, if you want to revise, we can revise it now. And what we need a card sheet. Okay. Many times you can cut card sheets from this kind of boxes also. You can cut the rectangle and small boxes you can prepare. If you are thinking or planning to gift any gift of this kind and you want to pack it, then just collect some wedding cards and this kind of things and start doing. We need to take small steps for saving environment. Because your small steps are going to. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so done. Can I check the work? How it turned out? I want to see. I'm eagerly waiting. Oh my God, it's looking so beautiful. And it's easy now? Easy or difficult? Easy? Show your thumbs up. Yes, and see, in no time, your phone box is ready. And what you did, you saved 50 rupees of purchasing gift paper, then giving that money for packing, and your lovely box is ready. And you can make it as big as you want and as small as you want. Okay. And now, do you want to revise? Shall we go for one more time? Hello? Huh? Do you want to revise? Show your thumbs up. How many of you want to revise? Yes. So now we are going to use this wedding card. Okay. Now, chalo, start now. Because now you know the method. So first a vertical fold and then horizontal fold. Now make sure that no wedding card should go waste. Because this for wedding card, the stationery we use, it's amazing. And if we use it for making projects and all, it will not only save your money, but the output will be perfect. The see I found as this. And if you feel you want to draw it first for neatness, you can draw it first. And then I showed you the method with help of those who are not able to understand, for them, this revision is going to help you. So you will press it nicely and you will be making line. And you will find two last points. Come on, do this. And now we are going to make a diamond shape. There is no complex fold, nothing difficult. And after this, I will show you the artworks of our all three batches. We, in regular classes, we have three batches, and a pre-junior, junior, and senior. So I will love to share the kind of artworks we cover up by the time when you will be preparing. Okay. So chalo, let's quickly complete it. We will make diagonal line from this to this. Now, once you know how to make it, you can use your scissors directly. Make sure your line should be perfect enough. Okay? Yeah. So this is the way you will be simply doing it this ways. And you will make your lines. We know now you can either make it directly with scissors or you can simply, yes. And your folds are ready and your box is ready. So easy. And if you feel that I don't want to put anything, I simply want to keep it simple, then you can simply fold and put stapler and it will be done. So it's not like pasting or decorating. Now see, it is already a beautiful paper. And why to do decoration? Simply put your gift inside and just staple it together. You can put a sellotape from here to here and it will be connected. Okay? And it is done. So that simple it is. Okay, chalo. So let's do it. And if you feel that no, I want to put a thread, I want to go for some beautiful decorative idea, you can do that also. Okay, it's completely your choice. What ways you can use this kind of artificial um, flowers. You can cut if you don't have any ribbon, so you can cut stripe from this kind of uh, cloth. It's not like whatever you have available, you can actually use that and create something amazing. Okay, it's not like that if you don't have particular thing and you won't be able to complete this kind of badges and all. This kind of jewelries, broken jewelries, rakhi, what not, anything you have available, you can use. Okay? Chalo. So this is the way we completed our second box also. And our two boxes are ready. See, two boxes are ready, and see, because of its beautiful print and all, it's looking so amazing. And yes, so it's not like that every time you should put some decorative stuff. And you can use this kind of artificial flower, dry flowers for decorating the front. It's completely your choice what ways you want to make it looking beautiful. Okay, so for this you need to see in your treasure box and take out things which are going with the color and all, and it will be ready. So these are our two boxes ready. Okay, come on. And you can make many using this method. And by the time when you all are making this, I'll love to show the artworks of a pre-junior batch. Pre-junior batch, it means the artwork of students of 3.5 years to 7 years old. 3.5 to 7 years old children we have in a pre-junior batch. In pre-junior batch, we prefer teaching with help of shapes and alphabets, numbers. And right from pre-junior batch, we are teaching our children about what is complete artwork. So I will show the artworks. है ना? So see, this is like this artwork is prepared using basic shapes only, circle and some lines, lohri, some this kind of poster making, unit in diversity, my dream house, chocolate and ice cream house. And then this is folk art. Many times we do pasting of leaves as well. And this kind of character from stories, landscapes, and these all we learn with help of shapes, letters, and numbers. Now, like see here, this was just a circle. Then we draw two C and V and 11 for making tendril, and your this hibiscus flower is ready. Impression art, ice cream. This is Madhubani art. This is Parents' Day special artwork. Different kind of houses, good habits, animals, helpers, uh, endangered animals, and national symbols. So we cover up national tree and our festivals. This is impression of tissue paper, ball, and finger. Different kind of houses in landscape. This is mud house. That was kacha house, geometric shape for making underwater world. With two circles, we created Lord Ganesha. Two circles for making this cute little baby. And a few lines for making our helper, that is sweeper. Different birds we learn again, few shapes. Using two circles, we made this poster, which is India is spreading the message of peace. National symbol again, circles and semicircles. Butterflies, modes of transport. Using two circles and S, we completed your favorite characters. Even this you can see here is a circle, C for making ear, 11 for making legs, and V for making grass. And we assemble them when we assemble them beautifully. So output is very mature and beautiful. So these are the artworks of a pre-junior batch. In pre-junior batch, we have children of 3.5 years, almost around 4 years to 7 years old. Okay. And now I'll show the artworks of junior batch. Okay, yeah. In junior batch, we have children. By the time you can even complete your work. In junior batch, we have students of 7 years to 10 years. 7 years to 10 years old children we keep in our junior batch. And in junior batch, we start teaching pencil shading, coffee painting, watercolors, and on. Okay. So now I will start with junior batch artwork. So here also we try to cover up different artworks like different animals. This is face study. Face study also starts from junior batch and a different festivals we cover up. And this is greeting card design. Animals, we start teaching complete anatomy, how to draw. With doodle art, we completed. This is again one animal, zebra. Impression art, so we personify a tree and go for this impression art. Figures also, this is our helpers drawing. This is Madhubani art with lovely patterns and Ganesha. Nature art, in which we learn the merging of colors, plastic crayons. Voting rights, this kind of poster making also we cover up. Watercolor painting, है ना? And coffee painting, I told you that we start learning coffee painting also. This is underwater world, and we try to cover up submarine using it. And these are 3D shapes, pencil shading technique we use. Pencil shading we start teaching in our junior batch. Okay. And figures also, this is, you can see this is anatomy of figure anatomy, pen art, art with pen we start teaching. This is again a pen art. This is also a pen art. है ना? And an abstract art, like artist is lost in world of creativity. This is coffee painting again, pencil shading, my birthday. This is impression of tissue paper. Tissue paper and tissue paper impression, and we created this jungle. My pet, life before internet, again, pencil shading, clean sources of energy. We cover poster makings also. With step-by-step guidance, we teach how to draw and how to color. And male and female figures. And we cover up abstract art. And then Friendship Day special drawing, Rakhi special artwork, Independence Day special artwork. This is pencil shading work. We learn animal here. Painting with finger. And Lord Ganesha's work. Hindi Divas special poster making. World Tourism Day special artwork. And your favorite cartoon character, Maya Yashoda and Kanha. Underwater World. This is Diwali. Coffee painting again. Watercolor painting and so on. So these are kind of artworks we cover up in our regular classes. Okay? Yes. And now I will show the artworks of senior batch. Last but not the least, senior batch. And so that you can understand that if you are in junior batch, so when you will get promoted or pre-junior batch, when you will reach to senior batch, what kind of artworks you would be learning with us. And I will give you idea about that. So in senior batch, we cover still life because students are preparing for elementary exam. So yes, still life is also something which we start teaching. Okay. And we cover up all kind of anatomies, face study, figure anatomy. You can see we made butterfly in a very creative way. And here you can see male and female figures. This is fate scene because students are preparing for elementary exams also. My favorite game. And different animals in senior batch also we learn. Different creatures the year. We try to learn snake also with drawing of Janmashtami. This is a fusion of mandala and still life. Sometimes we add little craft also in our artwork. Clean source of energy, poster making, pencil shading with face study, and no use of plastic. This is a poster making on this. Many students won prize in this drawing. And this is New Year drawing. Artist, how convert negativity with overcome the negativity with positivity. This is wet in wet technique, Valentine Day special drawing. Pen art is also part of our syllabus. With pen, this complete artwork is done with pen, glue, and this is Go Green, face study again on, and coffee painting. Yes, we start learning coffee painting. And wet in wet technique again for Valentine Day special drawing. Still life, and yes, this is journey of an artist, abstract drawing, and animal anatomy. I told you we covered up many animals, pencil shading, face study. This is painting with fingers. This is completely without brush, with fingers. How social media is killing your time. Watercolor painting, and many see rainy day in a very different ways. Yeah. Pollution, drawing on pollution, no? And impression art, design in circle with impression art. Your Teacher's Day special artwork, life before internet, underwater world, like pen art, and graphic based artwork. It's a Mother's Day special drawing, graphic based, and so on. These are few artworks which would help you understand what kind of artworks we cover out. Okay. And now I want to see how your artworks craft is looking now. I want to see how it is looking. Okay. Yeah. So will you please show your beautiful craft? I'm eagerly waiting to see how it turned out. And can you see, with limited folds and very simple method, this cone packing is ready, which will not only save your time, like when you pack a gift, so lots of efforts are needed, but here, not like that. Just a few things and it is done. Okay, I will keep something white for base. Okay, see. So this is your craft today. And I will request moms and dads even to stay with us so that we can talk and have your feedback. So I will request my team member. I want to check the work. Oh my God, you decorated it so well. Beautiful roses, flowers, drones. And see, your two boxes are ready. And without spending even a single penny. It's easy and wonderful now. And you know what? If you will put your light inside and you will put some holes and hang, it will become a lamp as well. It can be used as a pouch if you make your handles a little stylish. So with so many things. Okay, now you all did excellent. Please do share your craft on this number. I will request all the students to call your mom so that I can share about this offer, and then we will start conversation. So please call your mom or dad, whoever is available at home, so that I can share about this. Yes. Thank you so much, moms and parents like dads are also there. For your valuable time, I wanted to share about this offer. This offer is specially for the students who want to learn from us for long run, like 6 months or 1 year. And we come up with this kind of offers so that long-term learning could be absolutely budget friendly for you and child, and without burdening your pocket, child could learn long run. So here you can see, like if you go for yearly plan, at place of 12,000 is 6,400, complete discount of 50%. Same with 6 months. If you want to take benefit of this offer and want to secure your seat, kindly contact on this number. My team is available from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. even on Sundays. You can talk, you can know about multiple time slots available, syllabus, you can know about material required and all. Please take the screenshot of it. So you can take this benefit of this offer and secure your seat. Okay, so this is number. Please take screenshot so that you can save the number. And this is all about. Now I'll request my team to unmute to parents, few moms and dads, so that I can have feedback of them. Please. And I can see few students are still preparing many boxes. They are simple now. Enjoy it. Show your thumbs up. Enjoy it. They are simple now. Very simple. Yes, है ना? So now for best out of waste project also you can try them. Okay, now I will request my team to unmute a few uh, parents so that spotlight few parents so that we can start communication with them. Yes, I'll request Shivi Singhal. Yes, try to unmute yourself, your spotlight, and other parents also. Na team, please try to unmute others also. Yes, I can see Javik Pandey and Geeta. If they, hello, please unmute yourself. You all are spotlight. You have access to unmute yourself. Javik, you did such amazing decoration with mirrors and all. Lovely. Yeah, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Yeah, please try to unmute yourself.
Shivi ma'am,
Geeta,
you have
hello.
already
Yeah,
unmuted.
hello, ma'am. You're audible. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Please try to unmute yourself, parents.
Ma'am, Shivi ma'am is already unmuted.
Shivi, ma'am, please try to.
Yeah, hello ma'am. Hi.
Hello. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Please share
So,
your.
ma'am,
Uh,
Shivi is so much excited to join your batch. She has already joined junior batch, your junior batch.
okay, Shivi,
So,
enjoying
from
our
tomorrow,
classes?
yes, she has joined. From tomorrow, she will be joining.
Okay, okay. And show your craft today, Shivi. Oh, wow. So amazing. It was easy now and amazing now. Now you don't purchase any gift paper from market. Okay. Start reusing this kind
She,
of colorful
she is very
papers.
fond of artwork or drawing work. She is very fond of.
Okay. And she did excellent. Please do share it on this number. This is my personal WhatsApp number where I review
Yes,
each and
sure,
every
ma'am.
art and craft. Okay. Thank you so
Sure,
much.
ma'am. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I will request Javik. Javik, that glittery and beautiful box I can see. Javik, try to unmute yourself. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. I'm good. Ma'am, please share your
I'm very
feedback about
happy
our
to
classes.
join your classes, ma'am. I'm really happy. My child is really enjoying in drawing and your craft activity.
Okay. Ma'am, I wanted to know like our craft activity, I try to cover up with minimum things, so that students will not panic to
Okay.
collect and even won't be burdened. So the kind of craft work we are picking up, please share a little about that, and it will help us also understanding that wow, how child is enjoying or not, like different kind of trash we
No,
try
no,
to use.
ma'am. My child is really enjoying, and you use a very different active. You use the circle and many different shapes, so it's really easy for the child to draw anything. And after completing the whole work, I really amazed ki how he did this. Beautiful coloring and the shape is everything is very perfect. I didn't get the teacher like you, ma'am. I really appreciate your work.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And please connect Javik with me and share each artwork with me. Javik, enjoying our classes?
Yes, ma'am. Say loudly.
Yes,
Show your work to ma'am.
wow, this is so beautiful. Please do share craft in your hands. Okay, and I can see even Geeta and Tashvika, such amazing decoration they did with wholehearted efforts. My God. Please, moms, your spotlight, try to unmute yourself so that we can have your feedback.
Hi,
Yes.
ma'am.
Hello,
Rasika.
ma'am. How are you? It's so
I'm good.
beautiful.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, please do share.
Yeah. So she's enjoying your class and she was very excited today to join this class. Thank you very much for efforts.
And what is your opinion about this box we learned today?
Yes, it is very minimal and very easy.
Okay. And you did excellent, Tashvika. Please share it on WhatsApp, okay?
Hello, ma'am.
Lots of blessings. You're doing great, okay? Wonderful. And do share it, okay?
Sure, ma'am. Yeah. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you so much. Thank you. Geeta, I can see the paper which you use. It is so beautifully print is so amazing. Output is great. And Gurnaz. Yes, and Geeta, try to unmute yourself. You both have access. Hello. Hello, Geeta. Yes, you are unmute now.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, are you enjoying our classes?
Yes, ma'am.
And this craft is looking great. And now you are going to use it for gift packing. No purchasing of gift paper from market.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Please do share it on WhatsApp, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Gurnaz is your box is looking so beautiful. Even Ishadhya Uppal. Try to unmute yourself. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself so that we can have your feedback.
Hi,
And then
ma'am.
Gurnaz, hello, ma'am. How are you?
Fine.
Ma'am, please
Um,
share your feedback about our today's efforts for converting trash into
she
treasure.
is very excited in your class, and she's very fond of artwork and drawing, coloring.
Okay. And
She's very enjoying.
Okay, show your craft, my dear. I want to see. It's so beautiful. And this black color with this lovely ribbon has turned up so well. Wonderful. Ma'am, please do share the craft on the number. And instructions were clear? You got the instructions clearly, Shadya? Okay, wonderful work. Lots of blessings. And then Gurnar, I was able to see. है ना? And those who are raising hands, please try to spotlight them, Aniha, so that we can talk with them. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Ayansh. It's beautiful and such amazing flower you put. It's looking so, so amazing. And enjoy
you,
it, Ayansh? Enjoy it, the session?
Yes, so much.
Okay. Ma'am, please share your feedback also about class. कैसी थी class? How was
Good
the class?
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ayansh love drawing and artwork, but he has a lack of right direction earlier. But after joining your classes, and you give very good directions about the right direction related to the drawing, and also your story is very helpful. Whatever you tell in the story, he always remember and he implement also that in his life about the paper saving and all other things. And he loved to
Wow.
make drawing, and he revised and after making drawing he said, ma'am, send this to my teacher, and whichever appreciation you provide in on WhatsApp in a voice message, he listen and he become very happy that okay, ma'am, and take the phone and tell to everybody this ma'am appreciate me, listen this voice message, and he really happy. And your
I'm so
classes are
happy
very
to.
helpful. Thank you, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. I'm so
Thank-
happy to hear that like students are like praising their voice messages. Like I'm
Yes,
happy that.
even he listen a lot of time and he goes to everybody, to grandparents and his booji and everybody. He take his phone and said, listen, ma'am, appreciate my this drawing. Yes.
Ayansh, you are doing great and amazing artist. Even this box is looking so
Thank you,
beautiful.
ma'am.
Very good. Keep doing this ways, and you're very hardworking there because you're revising and all. Now, this is truly praiseworthy. Proud of you. Very well done. Wonderful. This is a beautiful box, ma'am, and motivate him to prepare this kind of boxes for gift purposes so that they can
Yeah, sure.
we can
Yes,
save
ma'am.
environment together. Thank you so
Yes,
much, ma'am.
you're
Thank you.
welcome.
I can see Nami with lovely boxes, Captain Friend, Nami, Divyanshi, and Labhansh simply put some drawings, lovely flowers and all. I can see the level of creativity. And I'm wonderful. Please, you all are unmuted. Try to unmute yourself. You have access to unmute yourself. Labhansh, yes, I'm able to hear you. Hello.
He's really enjoying your class.
Great, and I'm very happy to see the way he decorated, like cute flowers, which we learn in class. We
Actually,
use
we love to draw something every time.
लाभांश इट्स ब्यूटीफुल आपने बहुत सुंदर किया है इंस्ट्रक्शन सारे समझ में आ रहे हैं आपको हाँ
Thank you.
Thank you.
lots of blessings you're doing great wonderful boxes lovely ma'am please do share these craft in hands of Labhansh on my WhatsApp number thank you so much and now Nami and Divyanshi try to unmute yourself Nami I can see beautiful craft you prepared. You enjoyed, Nami?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
And now you're going to use these boxes for gift purposes. You will not purchase any gift paper from
Yes.
market, right?
Yes.
And I can see effortsfully you put some stones and some mirrors, which is really enhancing the beauty. Great work. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Gurnaz. We have Gurnaz now. Gurnaz, try to unmute yourself. You have that access, my dear. Yes. Gurnaz, try to unmute yourself, my dear. Yes, you have that access. Try to do that.
Ma'am, she's already unmuted.
You're unmuted. But I'm not able to hear. I think some technical issue she's facing. Okay, I can see Lazia with beautiful bow and some things available. She beautifully used it and decorated. Lazia, Gurnaz, I think some technical issue we are facing, but you made beautifully. I can see your lovely box. It's lovely. Do share it on WhatsApp. Okay, I will love to share my feedback there. Okay, beta. Okay, Gurnaz. Okay. And now, Lazia, try to unmute yourself. Yashwan Patel. After that, we will switch on to you. Okay, Yashwan? Try to unmute yourself, Yashwant. You also have this access. Whoever will be able to unmute, we will be.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you? Yashwant,
Hi.
show your box today. You prepared? Oh, it's so beautiful and so neat and refined. Wonderful, wonderful. Lazia, I can see yours also. I think some technical issue, that's why you're not able to unmute, but boxes are beautiful, Lazia. And Yashwant, you also did so amazing.
And ma'am,
Lovely.
he's very enjoying your class and
Uh,
waiting for your class at 2:30 and 3:45 all day.
And ma'am, are you able to see the improvement? आपको improvement
Yeah,
नजर
ma'am.
आता है?
Ma'am, he improves very well.
अच्छा, okay. And joyfully he's attending classes, or you have to pressurize?
No, Jack.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, please do share the craft also today on WhatsApp.
And then he's saying, "Mama, तुम चली जाओ, मैं अकेले कर लूंगा."
हाँ, मैं चाहती हूँ कि मम्मा की प्रेजेंस ना हो, बच्चे खुद करें। चाहे
हाँ,
चाहे थोड़ा बिगाड़े, चाहे गलती करें, क्योंकि इसी से सीखेंगे। जब आसपास कोई बड़ा दिखता है ना, तो बच्चों को भी लगता है कि आप
yeah.
ये बना दो, वो बना दो। तो यशवंत, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है कि तुम खुद बनाने की कोशिश करते हो, और आपने आज इतने प्यारे बॉक्सेस बनाए हैं। अब कोई भी गिफ्ट देनी है तो इस तरह के पेपर्स आप फेंकोगे नहीं। इससे कैलेंडर्स होते हैं ना, जैसे कैलेंडर्स होते हैं, कैलेंडर से बड़े बड़े बॉक्सेस बन जाते हैं, उसमें बड़े बड़े प्यारे प्रिंट होते हैं ना। तो अब हमें कोशिश करनी है कि किस तरह से हम वेस्ट मटेरियल को रीयूज करें और हमारे पर्यावरण को बचाएं। ठीक है, वंडरफुल, वेरी गुड,
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू सो मच। आई कैन सी तनवीर, ब्यूटिफुल box. I can see Kega, Tyagi, Kesia. It's beautiful, Tanvi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. It's
Ma'am,
beautiful
can I
work.
show my art?
Now,
Ma'am,
artworks
can
you
I
can
show
share.
my art?
Artworks on WhatsApp, WhatsApp, beta, है ना? It's so beautiful. Tanvir, I think you are sharing also, na? Or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful, lovely. You're doing great, and even the box is looking great. You use that table calendar, na?
Yes, ma'am.
And see how wonderful it turned out. Wonderful. Lovely. Do share it on one number. Okay, my dear?
Okay, ma'am.
And Kesia Tyagi. So it's so beautiful, and with some stickers and stones, you decorated it. It has turned up so well. Very good. Enjoyed the session, Kesia?
Yes.
Okay. And Aparna Shri, show your craft. Lazia, you also try to unmute because you have that access. Aparna? No, you are not. I'm not able to hear you, Aparna. Aparna, unmute yourself first.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, show your craft.
Ma'am, I'm decorating it.
And then it's so beautifully prepared. And after decoration, it will turn up more beautiful. Enjoyed the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now start keeping safely all wedding cards and greeting cards, and we can reuse it for this purpose, right?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will very soon. I'll cover up pillow packing as well. That is also beautiful. Lovely. I can see Anika and Ishanvi Bhadoria.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Yes, Aparna.
ma'am, can we keep a big gift in this? And
If
big,
if your box will be big, suppose you're using a big calendar for making it, then you can keep a big gift also inside.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
you did excellent. Ishanvi, your card is looking so beautiful, and this yellow ribbon is enhancing the beauty. Beautiful. Try
Thank
to
you,
unmute.
ma'am.
Okay, and enjoy the session. Instructions were clear.
Yes, ma'am.
And now onwards, you're not going to purchase any gift paper, right? Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you, ma'am?
All good, ma'am. I'm glad that I've registered for your classes for her. She has
Acha,
taken 2 classes as of now, and she's enjoying it, every
Ach-
bit of it.
Acha, okay, that's amazing. Because normally parents are doubtful that in online class child will be able to focus or will be able to learn anything or not. So I feel very
No,
happy.
this age group of children, ma'am, as you know, they require personal attention. So, and the best part is you keep telling them a story in between, which I have been observing since last two classes. And that's wonderful. It keeps them bind and generates interest.
Yeah, yeah. And they feel their drawing. Like that drawing is having a story behind. So they get connected with
And
artworks as well.
right, this kind of work also, ma'am, like she has done the best out of waste today, and that also she keeps on cutting, doing herself. But now, under your guidance, she has been doing it very well structured. So that is one wonderful thing about it.
Wow, that's amazing. And this is just an effort to save environment because these all are futures. They are army to save the future. And if they will
Exactly,
start converting and reusing this, a big change we can bring. I believe this.
exactly. I agree, ma'am.
Thank you so much for your lovely feedback, ma'am. And please do share the craft in hands of Ishanvi on my personal WhatsApp number.
Surely, ma'am, definitely.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much. Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Ishanvi. And Ishanvi, you're doing great. And stay tuned even in drawing class also. Okay, share your each artwork with you. Okay, you're doing
Okay.
great. This box is wonderful, neat and refined.
Thank you.
Okay, take care, beta. Bye. Anika, yes, try to unmute yourself. Then we have Naira Bansal. And parents like we have try to unmute. You can raise hands if we can.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, good evening, my dear.
Ma'am,
Show your work. Arre wow, beautiful. And so amazingly you try to decorate. It's lovely. Enjoyed the session. Instructions were clear, my dear Anika.
Yes, ma'am. So much.
And now you're going to use it, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, your small steps are going to bring a big change, my dear. Okay? Wonderful. And share it on WhatsApp, okay? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
I will request Avni Srivastava. I can see a beautiful box. And try to unmute yourself. 2 boxes actually.
Ma'am,
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
fine. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am. कैसी थी class? How was the class?
Good, and thank you for so much that I have joined this class. Make my daughter join this class. Is enjoying very much. वो खुद से
अरे
कर
वाह.
लेती है, बोलती कि आप अरे मैम आज मेरी क्लास है, जल्दी सब चीजें लाके दे दो मेरे को तुरंत.
अच्छा.
थैंक
ये
यू सो मच, एंड आज बहुत अच्छा लगा. इट्स वेरी इजी एंड आप बहुत आगे काम आएगा हमारे लिए.
हाँ, बहुत जगह काम बच्चे ले पाएंगे. हमारी कोशिश यही होती है मैम कि हम क्राफ्ट को बहुत सिंपल रखें ताकि बच्चे
Yes.
मिनिमम आउटसाइड हेल्प के साथ इसे बना पाए.
Even
तो
your drawings, yes, ma'am. Thank you so much,
हाँ,
ma'am.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. और यानी आपके थ्रू शायद और भी पेरेंट्स जो पहली बार हमारी क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं उनका
Yes,
यही
ma'am.
डाउट क्लियर होगा क्योंकि ऑनलाइन में जब रजिस्टर करते हैं पेरेंट्स पहली बार तो सबसे पहला डाउट यही आता है कि इतने छोटे बच्चे हैं, टीचर फिजिकली प्रेजेंट नहीं है तो वो बैठेंगे भी कि नहीं बैठेंगे 1 घंटे के लिए, है ना. तो ये डाउट अक्सर आता है. तो आपके फीडबैक से होपफुली उन्हें भी ये चीज समझ आई होगी कि नहीं ऑनलाइन क्लास में भी लर्निंग हो सकती है.
Full हो सकती है, ma'am. Thank you.
ओके, थैंक यू सो. एंड यू डिड एक्सीलेंट वर्क अवनी. बहुत प्यारे बॉक्सेस बनाए आपने. बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड. डू शेयर ऑन व्हाट्सएप. ठीक है. एंजॉय द सेशन अवनी. एंजॉयड.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Great. Great. Now I can see this Arnika. She's tried to add face. It gave a look of face. See, like she simply put some strings, 2 eyes, and it is looking like a cat. Such amazing idea. Anika, try to unmute yourself. This is what, and students apply their own ideas and add on. I'm not able to hear you. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself first.
Yes.
Yes. I can hear now. It is a beautiful way of showing this box, and you simply convert it in angry birds kind of look, and 2 boxes you prepare. Very good. Enjoyed the session, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
It was easy now or difficult?
Easy. It is
Easy.
easy.
Okay. Beautiful work. Do share it on WhatsApp, okay?
Okay.
Wonderful. Naira, please try to unmute yourself, my dear. You have that access. Then we have Gurleen Kaur. Your spotlight, you can unmute yourself and share yourself. You both, Naira and Gurleen, both try. Whoever is able to unmute, we will be able to talk.
Ma'am, I am able to unmute.
No, I can hear you now, Naira. Show your craft. Yes. It's so beautiful, lovely. And now you're going to use it. Now connect it. Like it is open now, you will connect it. Make it a box. Show your work. Show your work.
And I have joined this research.
Okay. Now, Hannah, after these all are tagged now. It's so beautiful. You add this. Great. Wonderful. And I can see Gurleen also so beautiful work to decorate and make it looking like a...
Mom,
Hello, how are you, Gurleen?
I'm fine.
It's so beautiful and amazingly you decorated it. Wonderful. Enjoyed the session?
Yes, ma'am.
It is going to be helpful, right? For making gift box. And easily we can make, without much efforts.
Yes, ma'am.
It is beautiful. Enjoying our sessions, my dear?
Yes, ma'am, I'm enjoying.
And instructions, are you facing any difficulty as far as instructions are concerned? No. Okay, you did excellent. Do share it on WhatsApp. Great work. Lovely. Lots of blessings. And lots of blessings, my dear. Javik Pandey, I can see beautiful box. And he simply put a flower, paper flower over. And then Sakshi Gupta. Yeah, try to unmute yourself. Sakshi Gupta, your spotlight. Yes, Javik, it's so beautiful. Sakshi, try to unmute yourself.
मैम देखो कैसा बना है
ये बहुत सुंदर बना है जैविक और प्यारा सा आपने फ्लावर इसके ऊपर लगा दिया इससे तो ये और ब्यूटीफुल हो गया आपने ये बॉक्स आपको अच्छे से समझ आ गया कैसे बनाते हैं अच्छा तो अब
बिना हेल्प के
हाँ अब है ना इसको बनाने की और प्रैक्टिस करना कुछ रफ पेपर या वेडिंग कार्ड लेना और एक दो बार और बनाओगे ना फिर एकदम परफेक्शन आ जाएगा ठीक है आपने बहुत प्यारा बनाया है इसको व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर करना जरूर ठीक है And Tejas Sejwal. दिखाओ अपना box. Tejas, show your box. I can see Mother Ishisha. Such a... Yes, Tejas, I can see it's a beautiful box. Great. You enjoyed? 2 boxes. Okay, lovely. Enjoyed the session, Tejas?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Please do share it on WhatsApp, okay?
Okay.
I will request Sakshi to unmute so that we can have your feedback. And then Medhari Shisha. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Both of your spotlight. I can see your lovely drawing, craft Medhari Shisha. I will love to know your correct pronunciation also. And please try to unmute yourself, ma'am. You both are spotlight. Sakshi and Medhari Shisha.
Naisha Gupta.
Nice. Her name is Naisha.
इसका नेम नाइशा है
तो ये क्या है इतना बड़ा अच्छा ये साक्षी अच्छा साक्षी गुप्ता ओके 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 और ये अच्छा ये बहुत सुंदर बॉक्सेस बने हैं और यानी डॉटेड पेपर का इतना अच्छा इफेक्ट निकल कर आया है वेरी गुड तो इन्होंने एंजॉय की क्लास मैम
बताओ आप
इट्स वंडरफुल मैम प्लीज इस क्राफ्ट को शेयर जरूर करिएगा है ना व्हाट्सएप पे जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा आई विल रिक्वेस्ट मेधरी शीशा टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ मैम प्लीज ट्राई टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ हेलो मैम
Unmuted, ma'am.
yes
Yes,
yes
ma'am.
hello ma'am how are you
I'm good, ma'am.
hello ma'am
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes.
am I audible
Yes.
acha ma'am please do share first tell me the pronunciation of this name Medhara Shisha
Medhari Shisha.
acha what is the meaning of
Medhari.
this acha Medhari Shisha what is the meaning of this name
You really care like that.
okay such amazing and it's a very unique name ma'am do share about our classes your feedback is very valuable
Actually, your class is really good. Was amazing. She can really do good even in online class.
Okay. And ma'am, from where are you? Like, it seems as if you're from
Shillong.
from where?
Shillong.
Oh, it's
Shillong,
such a
Shillong,
lovely
Meghalaya.
Shillong. Okay, it's a lovely place. Wow. Okay, ma'am. So she's absorbing the instructions and enjoying the sessions.
Yes, ma'am. She really enjoy your class, especially when drawing class, art class. She really liked it.
Acha. And are you able to see the improvement also? Like.
Yes, she's improving.
Okay, ma'am.
Just
So
2
please.
classes attended, but she's improving a lot.
Okay, that's amazing. And ma'am, please do share your feedback on WhatsApp as well. Thank you.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And now I will request Shanvi, and after that Himaira, and then we will wind up. है ना? So Shanvi, try to unmute yourself. Himaira, I think Himaira, try to unmute yourself. Yes, I can see cute boxes with lovely decoration. Beautiful. You both are a spotlight. Try to unmute yourself. Shanvi, Suman, and Himaira Arora. I will love to listen from students as well. I think they're not able to unmute. And I think now, hello.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you, my dear?
I'm fine.
And enjoyed the session. Your craft is looking so beautiful. Enjoyed it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you can use it like you used a big paper and your box is looking quite big. Amazing. Very good. Lovely. Okay. And now I will request Tanvi Suman, try to unmute yourself and then we will wind up the session because it's already long. And Sakshi Gupta, I think we took the feedback now, Sakshi ma'am. Yeah, we took the feedback already. Then we will wind up because it's too long for children. Yes, Lazia, I can see such amazing decoration of yours. Like beautiful decoration with bows and artificial flowers. Great. And so many you prepared with colorful papers. Lovely. So, Lazia, try to unmute yourself if we could talk. Try to unmute one more time. No? I think some technical issue we are facing.
Hello?
Hello, yes. Now you are unmute, Lazia, finally. Your each and every box is so beautiful and you decorated it so well. Lovely bows and lovely. You got the method perfectly, Lazia?
Yes, ma'am.
And enjoyed the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do share it on WhatsApp, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Wonderful work you're doing. Very good. Shanvi, Suman. After this, we will wind up. Okay? So, Shanvi, try to unmute yourself. Yes.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. How are you, my dear?
I'm okay, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Show your craft. So beautiful. And see, such amazing box could be prepared with this paper, hai na? And now, let's work together and stop use of uh, gift paper. Okay, we can make small and big bag boxes, and you can teach to your friends also. And this ways, we will keep forwarding the awareness of saving environment. And instructions were clear, Shanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you taking our regular classes also?
Yes, ma'am.
Enjoying? In which batch are you?
I'm in junior batch.
So enjoying all the sessions, all kind of artworks we are picking up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so wonderful. Even the boxes are amazing. And now with this, we will wind up. And because, and I can see beautiful Lesha, lovely blue box, beautiful. I can see Girisha. I can see show your boxes, Prisha, how it turn up. You all have done amazing work. Output is great. Pooja, beautiful boxes, my dear. And lovely bows and great folds. Girisha, yes, I can see it. Yes, Prisha, beautiful work, my dear. You all are amazing. Please do share your craft on WhatsApp, okay? And with this, I will wind up. Take care. Bye bye. Lots of blessings.